Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to mirror selfie video or photo in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Mirror means what you are seeing in the preview that can be showed, that means it will be like a mirroring effect. Okay, if you turn on that settings, then if you are eating from right hand, it will be showing like left hand eating. Okay, see the difference. I show the demo. Go to the camera of your phone, then go to the settings icon of camera here, then go to save selfies as previewed. Okay, previewed means in preview it will be showing opposite. Okay, then if you are turned on that, preview will be showing the result. Okay, but as of now, take one selfie, and here I am showing my right hand. Okay, see here, this is my right hand. I am showing. I take a selfie, and see here, uh, in the photo also, if you are seeing the photo, this person is showing the right hand. Okay, if anybody is seeing this photo, they will understand that this person is showing the right hand. Okay, so in the preview it's not like that, but uh, actually image, this is the original. Okay, originally I have shown right hand. In the picture originally it's right hand is showing. Okay, so this is good for taking photos, videos. If you are using right hand. Okay, so right hand should be shown as right hand. Okay, suppose if you use mirror means, what will happen? It will change. See here, go to the camera settings, and then go to save selfies as preview. Okay, just turn on this button. Now I am taking a photo with right hand. Okay, I am showing right hand, and see the result. But if anybody sees this photo, they can understand that this person is showing his left hand. Okay, so this is the mirror effect. So if you really want to use this, then you can you can uh, you can use this mirror effect. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.